So some benefits of using robots. So we have prediction of required tasks, evaluation of progress during a project. Early detection of errors, which is going to essentially you know prevent the company from using more money than they need. Automation of dangerous tasks. So it helps keep more employees safe, and then surveillance and inspections without actually having to send people out. So again, delegation is a big benefit of robotics. You have increased accuracy because it takes out the factor of human error, which increases productivity and helps companies meet their projects deadlines more efficiently and reduce accidents. So again, safety is a big benefit of using these robots. So with the negatives, there's drawbacks to this. Um, it's a very complex process to integrate robots into construction because there's just so much to it. You have user resistance, technology limitations. Um, there's the factor of potentially um, putting people out of jobs, and then overall, it's an expensive thing to have to try to integrate into the business. So robots have been building houses for a while now, and there's an example in Austin, Texas. Um, there's a 3D housing development known as the Genesis Collection in the Wolf Ranch development. So these robots can be used and can scale and live up to construction promises and deliver homes in a more affordable way. So it creates a more efficient way of home building. For this particular development, there's going to be around 2,500 homes planned for it, with 100 of them being, excuse me, the new 3D style printed ones. So this 3D printer is called it's called the Vulcan, that uses a crossbar that moves up and down between a 15 and a half foot two 15 and a half foot tall towers that sit astride the foundation. Attached to the crossbar, is the nozzle that shifts from side to side that does the printing. The material used is a kind of concrete called lavacrete that is applied in several layers, and will dry in about 15 minutes and turn a light gray color. It takes about 30% less time to construct its exterior walls using this printer rather than the traditional way of framing walls. And I have a short clip of a video. I'll only just show a few seconds of it to demonstrate. So we'll skip ahead a little bit here. So here is this 3D printer. As you can see, it's spewing out this concrete out the nozzle, and it's really interesting to see like how this machine, like compared to like how architecture used to be, how that they've made it this far with this kind of design, and surprisingly actually have a good product. I mean, this is pretty incredible if you think about it. And again, here's some more pictures. You can kind of see in this right one, there's still a hint of some of the earlier styles of architecture with the round corners and the pointier like steeple style roofs and things like that. That concludes the history of architecture and construction. I appreciate y'all listening and hope y'all got something from this.